This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Type tool or SVG option in Maya in case it is disabled. If you go to the Create menu and notice that the Type tool or SVG option is disabled, here is what you need to do. Go to the Windows menu, then Settings or Preferences, and click on Plugin Manager. This is where you can enable or disable most of the features and functions in Maya. Okay? Scroll down until you find Type.mll. .mll stands for Maya Loadable Library. Now simply check the two boxes next to Type.mll. Loaded will enable the Type plugin, while Auto Load will load it automatically the next time you start Maya. Once that is done, go back to the Create menu, and you will see that both options are now enabled successfully. So, if you find any other option disabled in Maya, make sure to check the Plugin Manager and see whether the plugin is loaded. You can also click the refresh button after loading any plugins. Alright, see you in the next video.